So we're here at Shangri-La Plaza Mall, and there is a best of Thai food. Mallrat, we're here at Shangri-La Plaza Mall. It's July 20, 2025, and there is a best of Thai food expo showcase here. So you can see it's not that big, but it's something. So this Thai Select has like 4 stands. What is this? Thai Barbecue Original Restaurant. Okay. Oh, they have braised pork thigh, milk tea, pad thai. Not that much. There are around 4 stands. Mango, no, 5, 6 stands. One's mango tree. Look at that. Catfish salad. Look at that. Greyhound Cafe. Samyang Thai street food. Not much. Mango tree. Okay. MC. Cute. Okay. It's a DTI. What is this? DTI Penjarong, Manila. Okay. Look like they have barbecue satay things inside. DTI. Looks like that's it, guys. That's it. I actually thought this was gonna be bigger, but it's something. Well. But this camera is doesn't seem to move much versus the phone. It's not as sensitive. I don't even have movement reduction on right now. Well, there you go, Mallrats. That was the Thai whatever thing here at Shangra-La. 3 booths, guys. Well, granted, okay, maybe 5 or 6 split into 2, but still, that's a little lame. DTI, still lame. Yeah, Mallrat out.
Hey, you made it to the end of the video. If you liked the video, hit that like button. If you enjoy similar content, consider subscribing to the channel. If you want to help us make more stuff, share the video with your friends and circles. Consider checking out our other channels. We have dedicated channels for hobbies, games, and other stuff. And I'll see you in the next video. OC Mallrat